Alright, this is where it's at. Geometry video 3.1, the distance formula. You've seen this baby before, alright, but it's a good one to practice anyway. Alright, first thing, gotta have the right formula, okay? When they give you two order pairs, alright, that's why this is x1, y1, and this one's x1, y1, x2, y2. When they give you two order pairs, you plug those values into this formula. Alright, it does have that big old square root around it. Make sure you copy it down where you can find it, okay? Alright, so distance formula. Again, it's a word that tells you what we're doing. We're finding the distance between 2 points. And I thought for our first example, I would pick this Purdy graph. Okay, that makes sense to me. We like our Purdy graphs. So we're going to find the distance between these 2 points right here and make that really, really super large for you while we pull them out of there. The only thing I don't like about this question is I wish they had given those points names. So let's do that ourselves. We're going to call this one point A, and we're going to call this one point B. All right, and that's what our first task is going to be. Let's just find out where point A is, where point B is. All right, so here we go. A, all right, going back to our Algebra 1 skills that we love so much. Look, -1, -2, -3, -4 is -5, comma, and you're going up 1, 2, 3. All right, and then point B, all right, is where -1, -2, comma, and you're also dropping down 1, 2, 3, so -3. Okay, so let's just double check my points and make sure we're good. I'm trying to be nice and neat. All right, so A is 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3 up. B is 1, 2 to the left, 1, 2, 3 down. Okay, once you have your order pairs, that formula is really, really, really easy, okay? So I'm gonna bring those points back. All right, here's what I do so I don't stress out about this formula. It's not as hard as it looks. Write a D for distance, okay? Put a big old square root. All right, look, put a minus sign in between here, plus sign here, and then a minus sign here, all right? And put your squares here. Okay, simple as that. All right, and then I'll bring back those order pairs. So A was -5, comma 3, and B was what? -2, -3. Okay, and if you look at the formula again, you're going to grab the x's. So let's just subtract. Let's just circle those x's. Okay, I'm going to circle those x's. So look, -5 minus -2. In the same order, let's do the y. So we're going to do top to bottom there. So 3 minus -3. Okay, x's go with x's, y's go with y's. Okay, we're good. All right, leave the big old square root alone. If you were taught same, change, opposite, go with that. Look, same, change, opposite. But either way, this is going to be -3 to the second power. Look, same, change, opposite. This is going to be 6 to the second power. Okay, and then here we go. Keep a square root. This is going to be 9 plus 36. All right, add that up, 45. All right, if you want a decimal equivalent, that's fine too. All right, using your calculator, if you know where the square root button is, type in 45, and your answer is 6.7. Okay, and which makes sense because think about it. All right, 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. This answer is pretty close to 49, so that's why it's going to be a decimal pretty close to 7. So 6.7 is your answer. That is how long. Okay, again, if we go back to the original problem, if you were to measure in units, we're saying from A to B would be 6.7 units long. Okay, not the most exciting thing. Distance formula, make sure you've copied it down, you've got it, and that is it for this video. We'll see you soon.